One of the funnest things about working at Anderson Seed and Garden, as well as coming in to see what we've got, is that every couple weeks, every couple months, everything changes. It's always different. So we always have different displays of plants. We always have different displays of seasonal or holiday items, and one of the fun ones this year is our Easter display. So right up in front of the store, we've got some really cute Easter decorations to just add to your home, add to your walls, or just to spruce things up and make it look a little bit fun. I mean, we're talking about, you know, carrot garlands, which are just the cutest. They look real. We've got all kinds of really cute bunnies, and a lot of our decor is really inexpensive, but fun and different, and you really won't see anything like it anywhere else. I mean, look at this little set of boy and girl bunnies for the holidays. I mean, really cute for Easter decor, and very inexpensive. So stop in here at Anderson Seed and Garden and come and see what each season has to offer, because we're always changing things up to keep it fresh and interesting.